Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Robin from Teen Titans Go. So first let's get started with our eyes. So in the center we're going to curve this line up and out. From the side now on the corner we're going to curve this line back around and then in towards the center. Now moving back in, we're going to curve this line up and over. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a nice big arch line, bringing that up on the side. Now in the middle for the nose, we're going to arch this line up and then down on the right. For our mouth, we're going to draw in a curved line on the top as well as on the bottom, making the one on the bottom slightly bigger. On the outside, we're going to curve this line down and then in. In the middle, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then on the top, curving this line up and then arching it back down on the bottom. And then just coloring in the side black. Now let's draw in the shape of the head. So coming up on the left, we're going to curve this line down. We'll do the same on the right, lining that up at the same height. For the chin on the corner, we're going to curve this line back in towards the middle. Now let's draw in the hair. So we're going to bring this line out and then curve that in towards the center. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line across and then back up. And then we're going to bring this line down on a diagonal and over towards the right. Now let's draw in our ears. So on the right-hand side, we're going to bring this line out and then down. We'll do the same on the left. And then from here, we're just going to curve this line in and then across. Now let's draw in our hair. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up and over. And then we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. Again, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line over towards the middle, bringing that down. We'll draw in a diagonal line that comes further out on the right. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line back down. Now from that point, we're going to bring this line up and over. We're going to draw this line coming in and then back out. And then from that point, just curving this line down towards our right ear. Now let's draw in the body. So for the neck, we're going to draw in two straight lines that come out on both sides. For the shoulders, we're going to curve this line out and then down. On the top, we're going to draw in two curved diagonal lines, bringing those in towards the middle at a point. On both sides now for the torso, we're going to bring this line back out and then in. For the leg, we're going to curve this line down. In the middle, we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. For the shoulders, we're going to curve this line in towards the torso. Moving down for the hands, we're going to draw in another curved line from left to right. On the inside for the arms, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines that come up, joining those on the side and then on the top of the arm. Now from here, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in on both sides. For the hand in the middle, we're going to curve this line down. For the thumb, arching this line out, back in. For the first finger, we're going to curve this line up. Moving in towards the center, replicating that. And then again, one last time as we move all the way around and then in towards the top. Now let's close off the rest of the leg. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line out. Moving down, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out, ending that at the same height. And then from that point on the top, we're going to curve this line down, again, ending that at the same height. Now from here on the outside, curving this line down. Moving further out, we're going to curve this line in. On the outside, drawing in a diagonal line. And then doing the same thing on the inside, ending that at the same height. Now let's close this off on the bottom with a curved line. And then moving further in for the bottom of the foot, just drawing in another diagonal line that comes up. We'll do the same thing, moving up again one more time. Now here on the side, drawing in a small diagonal line that comes up. And then from that corner, just curving that out. Let's move up again, drawing in a small arch line from left to right. Now in the middle for the belt, we're going to draw in a circle. On the top and bottom, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes out. And then on the side, we're going to bring in a small rectangle. Now on the side, we're going to draw in a small circle. And then from here, we're going to draw in the letter R. Now underneath, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines that come in, closing that off with a straight line. And then again, just drawing in a sideways rectangle right in the center. Coming down for the belt, we're going to draw in 2 straight lines as we come across on both sides. And then we're going to draw in a small circle right in the center. And that is it. That's how you draw Robin from Teen Titans Go. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.